Razer Basilisk customizable gaming mouse has been launched in India. The new mouse, targeted at gamers who are looking for a solution to enhance their experience for FPS gaming, is now available in the country with a price tag of Rs 5,499. Bengaluru-based distributor Kaira Global has brought the Razer Basilisk to the Indian market with a 1-year warranty. The distributor has also launched Razer BlackWidow Ultimate Mechanical Gaming Keyboard with at a price of Rs 9,999. Equipped with a Razer 5G True 16000 dpi optical sensor, the Razer Basilisk is designed to offer accuracy and precision for FPS gamers. It is also touted to have a lifespan of 50 million clicks, far more than what you can expect from a traditional optical mouse. There is up to 450 inches per second, IPS/50G acceleration and 1000 Hz ultrapolling. The mouse has a gaming-grade tactile scroll wheel with customizable resistance and includes 2 removable clutch, short/long, buttons that are fully programmable and can be set for actions such as push to talk and item pickup. A rubber thumb cap has also been included for players who don't want to opt for the clutch buttons. Coming back to the scroll wheel, it can be adjusted via a dial on its underside to let gamers increase or decrease its resistance. This majorly helps if a gamer wants to adjust the jump activation in a game to a preferred level of resistance. There are Razer mechanical mouse switches for a premium clicking experience. Further, the mouse has an ergonomic right-handed design with enhanced rubber side grips, 8 independently programmable hyper-response buttons. Razer has provided its chroma lighting with true 16.8 million customizable color options. Besides, the Razer Basilisk mouse measures 124x75x43 mm and weighs 107 grams. Razer BlackWidow Ultimate, on the other hand, comes with water and dust resistant features through an IP54 rated build. It has a lifespan of 80 million keystrokes and includes Razer Green mechanical switch. The keyboard also includes backlit keys that are enlightened with green LED lights. These lights are customizable through Razer Synapse software and offer a range of dynamic lighting effects, including wave, ripple, reactive, and starlight among others. Additionally, there are fully programmable keys with on-the-fly macro recording and a dedicated gaming mode option. The keyboard measures 203x153x60 mm, weighs 348 grams, and comes with 2 years of warranty.